Are you experiencing overheating and rapid battery drain after updating to iOS 26? You're not alone. iOS 26 is the latest system launched by Apple named after the year. Many users have reported these issues, and in this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple tricks to improve your iPhone's battery life. Plus, if iOS 26 just isn't working for you, I'll show you how to safely downgrade iOS 26 to iOS 18. Let's get started. All screen recordings in this video are captured using Focus C. Method 1. Check battery health. The first thing you should do is check your battery's physical health. Go to Settings, Battery. Tap Battery Health and Charging. Here, you'll see your battery's maximum capacity. If it's significantly degraded, you might need a battery replacement to see better results. Method 2. Adjust battery settings. Go to Settings, Battery. Enable Low Power Mode. Tap Battery Health and Charging again, and enable Optimize Battery Charging. These features reduce performance and charging stress to extend battery life. Method 3. Adjust display settings. Your screen is one of the biggest battery drainers. Go to Settings, Display, and Brightness. Turn on Auto Brightness. Enable Dark Mode. Dark mode saves power on OLED displays and is easier on the eyes. Method 4. Disable background activity and location. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Disable it for apps you don't use frequently. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Turn off location access for unnecessary apps. Method 5. Use System Repair Tool. AnyFix is a professional iOS system repair tool. It can solve 150+ iOS system issues without data losing, including system lag, battery drain, system upgrade and downgrade, etc. Support the latest iOS 26 beta. Free download and install AnyFix on your computer. Open and select System Repair Mode. Connect your iPhone with your computer via USB cable and click on the Start Now button. Standard Repair Mode supports the most common system issues without data loss. Here we choose it and tap the Standard Repair button to continue. AnyFix will check your iPhone model, and you need to click Download to get a matching firmware. Then AnyFix will automatically start to repair your device. Take patient to wait for a while, and then the battery draining issue will be fixed with ease. How to downgrade iOS 26 to iOS 18 without data loss. If overheating and battery drain are still severe, it is recommended to downgrade with AnyFix. Connect your iPhone and select Upgrade/Downgrade iOS. Confirm that one-click iOS downgrade is selected and click Download. Select the iOS 18.5 system you want to downgrade to. Once the download is complete, click Downgrade. AnyFix will begin preparing to downgrade your iOS device. The downgrade will take some time, so please be patient. Once the downgrade is complete, reset your iPhone and restore the backup data from iTunes and reboot. We recommend to use the AnyFix official version for full features, safety, and peace of mind. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.